Hey Pittsburgh, Krista Lorenzo. Today I'm coming to you from Southside. Southside is known for its bars, its nightlife, its restaurant, and all the shopping along Carson Street. Our median price point is about $245,000, which is about $164 a square foot, and most of our sellers are getting about 97.5% of their list to sales price ratio. Today we're going to go have lunch here at Cheesecake Factory, so hit me up for any information on Southside Pittsburgh or what to order next time you're here. Okay, so now let's take a look at the map here. So here we have downtown Pittsburgh and the Point. And so this area all around here is going to be Southside. So Southside is basically divided into two different areas. There is the flats and there are the slopes, and it pretty much is just as it sounds. So the flats is all flat level ground all around near Carson, in between like the Mon and Carson. And the slopes are literally just how it sounds. They are on the slopes of a mountain. So let's zoom in a little bit here and then I will show you. So this main street that runs right through the flats right here is Carson Street. So runs right along there. So tons and tons of shops and restaurants and bars are along there, all very walkable. There is, let me zoom in a little bit more here for you and show you some of the, so you can really see. So each one of these little symbols here is showing you, where the bars and everything are. So there's Nakama, excellent, like hibachi style and sushi. Carmela's. As we go further down here, we have Double Wide Grill, which is super popular, lots of vegan options. Waffles is always slammed, excellent breakfast place. Over the bar, there are actually 3 different over the bars in Pittsburgh, and this is the Southside location. Further down, a little bit back, there is Big Dog Coffee. That is right on Sarah Street there. And super cute place, lots of beautiful artwork inside. So that is right here at this Big Dog Coffee. So this area in here is relatively the newer section. And it has a Cheesecake Factory, a Hoffer House, little stores. There's a hotel there. And then this is Hot Metal Bridge that cuts over to Oakland there. And then further, if we went this way, it would take us down to like the UPMC Sports Complex and areas like that down 837 there. So outside Cheesecake Factory, this is a cute little square area. In the summer, they have all kinds of like water fountains and things like that where kids can play. Lots of really cute things. So Southside is a great area for shopping, for eating for sure, for drinking for sure. But lots of really cute and unique houses, especially in the flats and then going up the slopes there.